Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be our unboxing or unbagging, like I always say, for IPSY Glam Bag Plus for January of 2021. So let's just see if we start off this month with a bang, but also I wanted to let you guys know, because I got these handy dandy cards in here, next month, which I'm super excited about, is the start of Glam Bag X. So I have already gone ahead and added my name to the list the moment they announced it to make sure I got into that upgrade, because apparently they're supposed to have influencers. They're supposed to be choosing the items for you. So next month's Glam Bag Plus, if you guys are Glam Bag X, if you guys haven't seen that going around, the sneak peek is that Patrick Tall is going to go ahead and be in that box, which again I've seen some sneak peeks on TikTok, and I've also seen some sneak peeks on Instagram maybe, or maybe also on YouTube. I don't remember, but I'm super excited to bring that to you guys for sure next month, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Again, it's supposed to be like BOXY Luxe from BoxyCharm, since obviously if you guys don't know, and I've been like a broken record trying to make sure to inform you guys that IPSY and BoxyCharm are now underneath the same umbrella company, so I can see why IPSY is trying to like do some of the smart strategic marketing things that BoxyCharm has done over the years, which is why they've been a little bit more on the popular side than IPSY has. But again, Glam Bag X, I'm supposed to get a total value of $428, and then I get 8 full-size products, 3 items I get to choose, which is super exciting, and then curated favorites from celebrity makeup artist Patrick Tall for next month, exclusive access to the hottest brands like Pat McGrath, Huda Beauty, IGK, R&Co, and more. So that is ipsy.com/GBX. If you're interested in getting signed up for that, you better do it quick, because there are limited spots available and limited quantities, is what the card says. So there is that, and then we have the other card, which is in here, which really never does anything. Why can't IPSY? I hope they jump on the same bandwagon as BoxyCharm, because they used to do it before, when they gave you the card that told you what the MSRP price of the items you have in, instead of now I have to go online. So what's the purpose of me having to go online if you're still wasting money on a card that does nothing for me? But again, apparently the theme for this month is supposed to be Dream It. So it's a new month, starting off with a New Year resolution of the sky is the limit, and then beauty resolutions for your sign are in here. So let me just read that off. So I'm a Scorpio, if you guys didn't know. I'm born in November. It says, Scorpio, opt for something totally new. Dare we suggest pink? Pink is an okay color for me. It's not like the most amazing color that like suits me. I'll be honest, with my skin tone. I do like more of like the blush pinks, depending on what I'm wearing, because I have a really cute blush pink shirt that I wear to work. It's a little bit more on the nude side, but like pink, like this does not suit me. Does not suit me at all. So I'm gonna say I don't really believe in that. Do we dare say pink? No. I say no. No, Scotty, no. No, Scotty, no. If I didn't say it already, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you know you want to. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so IPSY, right here, IPSY Glam Bag Plus, $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and it comes in this handy dandy little bag. So they switched over to the drawstring bag compared to like a zip bag, which is really weird. I don't know why they do this, but in general, in my giveaways, I tend to just go ahead and give you guys this bag and just fill it up with goodies. So let's just go ahead and jump into this bag. Now again, I don't know the MSRP for any of this stuff, because I'd have to go online to look it up. So I will always put it here somewhere on the screen for you, because I look it up in the editing process when I'm editing this video. So just starting off with the very first item coming out is from a brand that I've never heard of before. It is the YC Collection Let Me First Primer. So it is a silicone-free primer, refines the appearance of pores and smooths the skin, hydrates and brightens the complexion, maintains a matte appearance while ensuring that the skin stays moisturized. Again, I am more about the dewy look. I don't have to technically look matte Maybe if that's what goes with my foundation, I guess, but I don't typically wear matte foundations either. So this is what the primer looks like. I'm going to be honest, this is not something that I, again, matte is not my thing. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this along to one of you in the giveaway. At the end of this video, I will show you guys everything that will be going into that giveaway. So yeah, I almost forgot to put somewhere in my intro. This is the video that has the giveaway, if I didn't put it in the title. Somewhere. So we're going to go ahead and move on. So then the next item in here that we're pulling out is something that does fit me. It's the Hydrating Milky Serum by IPSY. It is the Rose Hip Oil, Aloe Vera, and Aloe Vera. This is a soothing serum, and this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute, super pretty. This is a deeply nourishes dehydrated skin, delivering a visible suppleness and radiance, helps improve the skin long term. It does have the rosehip oil and vitamins. It gives your skin a nourish-rich boost to complexion for most optimum hydration. It says use it AM or PM, massage 2 to 3 drops onto clean skin before moisturizing. So it does have a dropper that comes with it, which is not in there. And then this is what it looks like. Now you guys know that I love IPSY so much. I love the setting sprays, first off. The setting sprays are my favorite, and I did go ahead and put that into a favorites video last year during Vlogmas, which I still need to upload my favorites for 2020. So if that's something you guys are still really wanting me to do, I know we're kind of getting towards the end of January somewhere, but I think I still want to go ahead and upload that video at some point, just to kind of talk about my favorites that I had for 2020 and then see if they change in 2021. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep that item. Then moving on to the next one, we have a mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Lash Bang Volumizing Mascara. I've never owned a mascara by them, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep this item. Let's just see what the packaging looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like. Seems a little suspect. It seems a little familiar to me. If anyone's seen my previous video, which was my BOXY Turn Premium, Fenty Beauty looked exactly like this, but just a little bit more freckling, and it was a little bit more lavender toned than rose gold toned in the packaging. Now obviously I'm going to guess the brushes are completely separate from what the other one looked like. Yeah, this is a full-on like microfiber brush. It's a really big brush. Kind of reminds me of like the Better Than Sex one, but again, this is supposed to give you a lot of volume or voluminizing. Oh my god, can I speak? Give you a lot of volume to your lashes. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to go ahead and keep that one. Again, I don't know the price, so I'll put it up here for you. Then let's go ahead and see. So I did actually use some points recently, because I know when it comes to the point system for IPSY, they actually really don't give you that many options, which is really weird. I kind of wish they would give you like way more options, but I know some of my points were expiring soon, so I went ahead and used it. This is the Wander Beauty sample size for their After Hours highlighter. So intentionally I got this for you guys because I didn't really see anything else I thought was kind of cool in the 600 point area, which is what I had to spend, which was going to expire. So again, this is going to go ahead into the giveaway as well. That again is the sample size. I don't know what the MSRP is, so keep moving on. Next thing we have is something from Cover FX. Super cool. This is the Shimmer Veil eyeshadow, I'm guessing. Shimmer Veil pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, that can be used anywhere you want. It is a veil of shimmer that is unparalleled, buildable formula, feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. So this is what it looks like. That's super pretty. It's like a champagne pink tone. So let's go ahead and swatch that on my hand. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. So that looks like a really cool glitter or shimmer color to put all over the eye, or just to put into the inner corner. And it says it won't crease. So I really do like that. And that texture and that formula was like nice and refreshing. It's actually really cool on my hand, like cold, if that's what I meant. So that's really fun. I only own a few things by Cover FX, so I'm always excited when I see some of those products. And then the last item in here is by Billion Dollar Brows, and we've gotten stuff from Billion Dollar Brows before. We've gotten some eyebrow stuff. Obviously, we've gotten some of their makeup brushes. I think I got a sponge from them too before. So makeup brushes, sponge, And then this time they're actually giving you the Best Brow Toolkit. So it has the little scissors that go with it, it has some tweezers, and then you also have the eyebrow brush with the dual-ended side. So that's really cool. It says all you need to grow your brows, professional quality and salon approved. So that's really cool. I don't need this because I already have all of this stuff in my collection or in my tools already. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this to you guys. So that's really fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab everything up, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the total value of our bag right here. So again, let me know in the comments if you guys think we got our money's worth, and then let's just go ahead and go over everything that's going to be in this month's giveaway, because I know you guys want to know. Also, I forgot to show you guys what the bag looks like. You can see it, it says Dream on it, since that was the theme, but I will say this bag was made like not so well because there's a bunch of threads coming out right there. But in general, this is kind of fun to have. It is very cheaply made, it looks like. Again, they probably mass made these. It is from IPSY, but oh wow, there's a bunch of threads on the inside. Ooh, there's actually a tag. What does the tag say, is my curiosity. It says made in Myanmar? I have no idea where Myanmar is, but that is where it says that this bag is made from. But in general, let's just go over all the goodies that you guys will be getting in this month's giveaway. So just to kind of recap, we have the $1 Billion Brows Toolkit, which you will be getting. You have the PMD Silver Pure Microfiber Makeup Remover. We have the primer that I just showed you guys, which is the YC Collection Let Me First Primer. Then I'm also giving you the sample size of the Wander Beauty highlighter, which was really pretty. And then the other two items in here, we have the Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream, which is right here. And then the last item was the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminating Duo. So there is 2 highlighters in here, a primer, an eye cream, and I just may have slid all that stuff off of this box onto the floor. At least we're on carpet. But yeah, that is, and there it goes again. That is everything that will be in this month's giveaway. So again, I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to enter into this month's giveaway, make sure you follow all of this description, follow all the rules, wow. Follow all the rules in the description down below. I do apologize. This month will not be for international. It will be for US only. Because during Vlogmas, I did do giveaways for international, which again, I appreciate all of my international subscribers so much. I will be doing future international giveaways sometime this year, but this one's just gonna be for US only because of there's a lot of restrictions going on with COVID and about shipping out to different countries, and also it's very expensive to ship out to other countries, especially with what's going on, because again, it's the US postal system or UPS or FedEx. It's just expensive in general, but there's a lot of restrictions going on right now, and it was a huge hassle to like go through all the loops and hoops that I had to in order to ship out those packages. Again, I appreciate you guys. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with the makeup, all the stuff that I was able to ship out to you guys during Vlogmas. Again, I shipped out one package to the UK, and I shipped out the one to the Philippines. The one to the UK actually wasn't really that bad or expensive, but the one I had to ship out to the Philippines, which was the bigger giveaway, was like super expensive. I didn't know it was going to be that expensive, but hey, you know what? I appreciate you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys being part of my channel. I just know that when I was talking to ladies at the post office, they were just kind of giving me, I don't know, they weren't being rude about it. Actually, Beth was really nice about it. It was the other lady that was kind of giving me crap because of the custom forms you have to fill out, and it has to be a gift, and that now it has to switch to being online instead of filling out the form at the post office. But then like the online service wasn't working, and I tried to explain that to her because it timed out multiple times. I don't know, I'm just going on to a rant because I was very irritated with the US postal system and with everything going on, and especially during Christmas they lost 2 of my packages. So in general, wow, in general, I love you guys so much. I appreciate you. So again, don't forget to go ahead and enter into this giveaway. I apologize about my slight little rant right there, but If you like videos like this, you know the gist. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You know it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And again, I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.